Welcome to the helmet cage training video. In this video, you'll learn how to install the helmet cage to your capper. Before you begin, make sure you have a capper helmet with a cage. The cage comes pre-installed to help protect the motor. It attaches to the helmet's side and rear snaps. The cage has two sets of holes. The larger, lower holes attach to the helmet snaps. The smaller upper holes are used to attach a filter cap. To install the cage, align the lower, larger holes with the helmet snaps. Lightly push down to secure. When installing the cage's back tab to the helmet, use the top snap. The cage is now installed and ready for use. To remove the cage, repeat the steps in reverse. This completes the helmet cage training video.